So in this video today, I'm going to be styling my coffee table for the fall. So come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called the Festive Fall Coffee Table Styling, and that's being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Designed with Emma, At Home with Lisa. We have Debbie Bubbles, May's Design Corner, Jean Home Decor and more, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Jennifer at Home, Donna Decor and more, and Joyful Decor by Denise. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels. And those channels I will be linking down below in the description box along with all of the participants of this collab. I also want to thank ahead of time for all of those who are supporting us by watching the video. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I style my coffee table, and I'll be right back with you. So I think that this coffee table came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. Now it's time to light the candles and head on over to the reveal. Now the tablecloth on this table was a thrifted item. Then we have that vignette tray, and that vignette tray came from the Dollar Tree's Plus section. I overlaid that with a buffalo check napkin, and then on the tray itself, it's some elements for the fall. We have some pumpkins on there, some pine cones, looks beautiful. Here are some white sunflowers, which I got on sale at Michael's. Over here on this end, I have this beautiful bamboo box that I purchased from Dollar Tree along with that candle. Then we come on this side and I purchased at Michael's these beautiful pumpkins. I'm absolutely loving them, along with some greenery. You can never go wrong, guys. So this is my table, and I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. Now, I do want to give a quick shout out one more time to all of the participants who hosted in this collaboration. They are amazing, guys. Make sure and head on over to their channels. Let them know that I sent you. Click like, share, and comment, and subscribe. You won't be disappointed.